Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Pride. I'm working on a 14 F150 Enginelighton customer complaints and a P0016, and then mostly problem is timing chain stretched out. I'm working on this one. I already quoted timing chain replacement with the 3CD cam phaser and a secondary timing chain. I remove top side valve covers and an intake and also front charge air cooler crank pulley and a front timing cover. I rotate the crankshaft for the timing setting, and the number one hit is the top dead center. Usually bottom of the timing chain two paint dot, and then top side right hand left intake cam gear has the one dot timing mark. Once to set the timing marker, put the special tool onto the camshaft both flat and it does not move at all. Camshaft. After holding a camshaft, hold the tool is ready to remove a primary timing chain. You guys see that the primary timing chain tensioner rod comes out from the housing. That means it shows how much it stretched the timing chain. Once the timing chain is stretched out, it's impact the right hand bank 1 camshaft position out of spec. That's why engine set the timing chain. This teeth comes out from the rod and usually less than limited of 5 teeth, but it's over 7 or 8 teeth now. That means too much is stretched out. So that's why engine light on. Sometimes check engine light on and the lock idle, and then engine stalling. There's a poor acceleration and then increase fuel consumption, so inordinately lost power. That's why once the stretch the timing chain, it should replace the primary timing chain. I quoted primary timing chain replacement with cam phaser gear intake, also exhaust 4 cam phaser with secondary timing chains also. There are a couple of special tools needed. Camshaft holder tool and then even secondary timing chain release for the release tensioner, and a special tool needed this one. Once the release tensioner, and then you guys can replace and remove and then cam phaser gear with the secondary timing chain together. Only comes out together this one, and then also install the together secondary timing chain and then cam phaser, and then now finally look at that as I installed primary long timing chain. Each cam shaft intake and then yellow on other copper color is a painted dot mark, and the bottom of the crank sprocket as a painted dot is between copper two color chain dot. And then it's an important thing. Once you guys install the timing chain, only rotate clockwise, because timing chain tensioner doesn't have oil pressurized. That's why you guys mistakenly rotate counterclockwise. Sometimes try to set the crank pulley and then mistakenly rotate the counterclockwise. It could jump the timing mark 1 teeth. I haven't seen it a couple of times. I'm gonna show also without the special tool, and then you guys see that remove right hand valve cover and then look down. You guys see the pressure light, and then using the go through down to the directly right there, and then you can see that primary timing tensioner teeth how much comes out. Usually 4 and 5, 5 is limited, and then usually 3 and 4 is normal, but it's over 7, 6 or 7, 8 is too much stretched. There are other options. If you have a camera or boroscope, it can be used inspection of the timing tension disc, how much comes out. Look at that, I installed a new timing chain. I rotated a couple of times crank shaft. Now it shows only 2 teeth comes out new timing chain. Now installed all of the valve cover I'm ready to the engine start, and I need more work for the engine running. Also, if you have a scanner using the data inspection, VCT cam page intake with actual cam position sensor degree, and then differences intake cam position degree. Once the over actual degree and differences 6 degree differences is timing chain stretched. Once finished the timing change up, you guys should do that misfire monitoring correction profile procedure, and then also cam reset and load test on the highway, even city drive, and nothing problem, no more Enginelighton. This one is all the parts, and then secondary timing chain. But it's a cam page gear. Doesn't have noises now, but it's getting over 100,000 miles. And I replaced the whole and then timing VCT gears and the secondary timing chain and primary timing chain. Main costly problem is primary timing chain. Thank you for watching.